All right, we'll go through Crystal Blue Persuasion with the chords that I'm playing. Look over yonder. What do you see? Sun is rising, most definitely. A new day is coming. People are changing. Ain't beautiful? Crystal blue persuasion. Better get ready. Gonna see the light. Love is the answer, and that's alright. So don't you give up now. So easy to find. Just look to your soul and open your mind. Crystal blue persuasion. Oh, it's a new vibration. Crystal blue persuasion. Crystal blue persuasion. Maybe tomorrow, when he looks down on every green field and every town, all of his children and every nation, there'll be peace and good brotherhood. Crystal blue persuasion. Crystal blue persuasion. Crystal blue persuasion. Yeah, my interpretation of it. But you have those minor sevenths, the C sharp minor seventh. Wait, what is it? I'm sorry. Yeah, C sharp minor seventh down to a B minor seventh. Okay, you could play with the full bar, but I just tend to play it, trying to focus on those the four high strings, and maybe I allow that A to kind of ring in there, and then the to resolve each end of the verse, it'll be a D and an A. which you can play there. You can play. You know, because you could be playing. Right, a lot of places you can play this, and then that instrumental break, you know, the A, G, D, back to the A. To a B minor 7th, and then you ring the E, or you get the bass. Crystal blue persuasion, and this is, you're getting to the modulation. It's a new vibration. You go from an A to a B flat. New persuasion, D A. Blue persuasion. Maybe tomorrow. And you shift everything up a half a step. But that B flat comes in right after the blue persuasion, B flat. Maybe tomorrow. Then you're into D minor 7th and C minor. So he looks down. And to end that verse, it's the B flat to an E flat. So it's peace and good brotherhood. C minor 7th. Crystal blue persuasion. It's a new, whatever you want to do, but you're just playing those two chords out, and then it kind of starts to chunk along. Go. And I ended on a B flat. Okay? It's the framework. Good luck.